Hi, and welcome to Wired Botcast. I'm Zachary Medina. 5 years ago, Lunar X Prize and LEGO Mindstorms released the Moonbots Challenge, geared towards young scientists. The winner of this challenge was a team by the name of the Microbots, and their idea was placing a cloud on the moon. With me today, I have two of the original Microbots, Tad Miller, Google Chief of Robotics, and he is on the moon for the grand opening of the cloud.
Wow, I can't believe it's been 5 years. When we got this challenge, we were so excited. We knew robots and the moon were an ideal partnership. Space travel was too dangerous for humans because of radiation, intense heat, intense cold, and pressurization requirements. Space travel has always been more complex and expensive for humans. Humans need air to breathe, food, water, and waste disposal. Humans need exercise facilities, medical equipment, lighting, temperature control, and most importantly, a way to get back to planet Earth. So using robots was less risk to people. Robots are more precise, efficient, reliable, and robots can do it 24/7. Robots are awesome, and robots are the key to automating our cloud on the moon.
Thank you, Dr. Miller. While we are waiting for the official countdown, let's check in with another Microbot, the mastermind behind the cloud design, Dr. Gayla Taylor, Director of the Off-Earth Innovations at her office at National Instruments.
I'm remembering the fun we had doing the Moonbots Challenge. Technology was really growing, and Earth's limited space was being used for big server farms to store huge amounts of data. The need for data storage was really going to grow too, and the moon seemed like an ideal place for a cloud to store that data.
What made you think that the moon would be an ideal place for this cloud?
The moon was still a dangerous place for humans, but it's a safe place for data storage because there's less risk of fires, earthquakes, floods, terrorists, and robberies. Server farms on Earth didn't need a lot of humans to maintain, so we figured we could maintain the cloud like we maintain the Hubble, and the robots could do the rest. We knew there would be some trade-off in speed because of the distance between the Earth and the moon, but the benefits of having a cloud on the moon were huge because we could store huge amounts of data and do huge calculations.
Okay, so a lot of innovations came along with your ideas about putting the cloud on the moon, didn't it?
Yes, our cloud uses special generators that run on solar energy when in sunlight and recycle the computer's heat waste when in cold darkness. We also designed robots that use lunar sand to make solar panels on the moon, as well as more perfect silicon chips in low gravity. It's funny to think now, but 5 years ago experts were just starting to talk about helium-3 as a possible environmentally friendly fusion fuel, and mining lunar helium-3 as a replacement for fossil fuels. The Moonbot Challenge led to the discovery of millions of tons of helium-3 in lunar soil, and the technology for using water on the moon in its future.
Yes, these are very exciting times. Sorry to interrupt you, but it's time to boot the cloud.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Power on.